Okay, this is the last podcast for this unit, and we're going to talk about other periodic trends. And so this is just sort of a couple other little ones. So other periodic trends would include a tendency to lose electrons. So we've been talking about ionization energy, and we know that metals tend to lose electrons most easily. If we think about where they are on the periodic table, the furthest to the left and the furthest down, right, are going to most easily lose electrons. So that's the more metallic nature. So the further left and further down in the periodic table, right? Because these have, one valence electron. The further away the electron is from the nucleus, the easier it is going to be to pull off. So we have the most metallic nature down in the lower left-hand corner of the periodic table, like around francium. And it's going to go up from there, right? Up either direction. The other thing we can look at is the trends of acid-base behavior of oxides of the elements. So an oxide just means that it's an element that has combined with oxygen. So if I look at everything from Na2O all the way to Cl2O7, on the left-hand side I'm going to have things that are very basic in nature. So if I look at this, Na2O, sodium oxide, when it mixes with water, makes sodium hydroxide a very strong base. And as I go over towards the right, my oxides become much more acidic. So if I take Cl2O7 and I combine it with water, I end up with what's known as perchloric acid, a very strong acid. Okay, so that's going to do it for us, and we're going to stop right there.